As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. Guys, I'm feeling a little bit sick today, so if my voice sounds a little bit off, it's just because of that, so it's my bad. We're going to have big impact news coming in at 8:30 today, all right? Current time is 7:48, so we're going to do gold, NASDAQ, okay? And we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones just before as well. All right, so make sure to check the description box, guys. Not a buy or sell channel here. Any trades taken upon yourself. Try not to risk more than 1%. All right. Make sure to also check the description box, guys, for a link for HankoTrade. Okay. Looking for a demo account, anything to start up with, just open one up, see how it moves for you. And then if it makes sense, go with the fund. If not, you know what to do. All right, guys, also, we're not financial advisors, so any trades, like I mentioned, are taken upon yourself. We have this large news coming up at 8:30, so we're going to do a top-down analysis here on gold and NASDAQ, and then we're going to watch and see how everything's going with the Dow Jones. All right, so let's get into it right now. We got gold on the daily here. All right, so we had a nice big impulsive pump right before 8 a.m. All right, a lot of times this happens on CPI or any kind of news. All right, coming to news at 8:30, whatever time it may be, you're going to see a pump, then a dump, or a dump, then a pump. It's just kind of how it works. All right, so gold made a nice little impulsive continuation right around 1675. Okay, it didn't break below here. All right, it didn't break below 1673. All right, and if you're watching price action on the lower time frames, you can see that it just kind of dipped down below that 75 number, maybe like 10-15 pips, and then retrace back up. All right, maybe hit a stop loss at break even if you decided to take that. And then same with the indices. So we dropped down a bit. Nothing closed below a psychological number. We'll go over that in a second. And then you know, we had that massive impulsive pump. Okay, so let's get ready to go here. We're going to do daily resistance. All right, going to look for some daily support just below. And then I'm going to take a look at the 4-hour here. Okay, so nice 4-hour support hold. Okay, for nice continuation. See some nice resistance coming in here. Resistance. Okay, taking a peek at my hourly. Okay, so let me move that down here, just get that level. Has news arrived? How about you do some due diligence, guys, and take a look at Forex Factory, right? And you'll see that the current time is not even 8 o'clock yet. All right, so we got the 4-hour, everything's good. We're on the hourly now. You can see hourly resistance is coming in right around here. We just broke through it. Okay, nice push, continuation. A little bit of rejection now coming in. All right, so we're going to see if that was just a liquidity grab to dump the overall market. If not, we're going to see a continuation push past that 4-hour and daily. Okay, so you can see we're getting a slow, steady push back down to the left. We have a nice little wick we're currently trading at, and you can see with the rejection coming at the 4-hour. All right, so we're going to add a 1-hour resistance, and then we're going to use the hourly support. It's already been broken through. We're going to use 4-hour just because of the candle. Okay, we're going to get into the 15-minute time frame now. Okay, so nice 15-minute resistance here. And you can see nice 15-minute support starting to hold. I'm going to use this level as support just in case we retest. Okay. Then I'm going to take a peek at the 5-minute here. Okay, so pushing right back down. All right, maybe trying to fill that wick back to that 15. We're going to watch and see how it's going to go. Okay, so take a peek here. Got about just under 2 minutes. Okay, so we're going to watch and see. Now let's take a look at NASDAQ. Okay, you can see a nice little push, then a pull. We're going to go from the daily NAS as well. Okay, so we got some daily support here with the bottom wick. Got some daily resistance here. Okay, let's take a look at our 4-hour. Okay, pretty choppy, holding nice support level here. Got some nice rejection coming at the top wick, 4-hour. Okay, let's take a look at the hourly. Okay, looking good. See, man, all in on gold going down. You bet your ass. I'm in the same kind of direction as you. Okay, so we can see here, nice rejection coming in. There's 1 hour. See some nice support level starting to hold. Okay, right above. Okay, and then we're taking a look at the 15. Okay, so starting to move here. Got some 15-minute support. Just to the left, nice rejection area here. I'm going to actually move that 4-hour resistance just above. I'm going to use this key rejection area to the left. You can see multiple attempts have tried to break and nothing went. I'm going to use that as a 15. Okay, and then we're back on the 5-minute. So nice rejection coming in here. All right, you can see we have nice supply. Let's watch and see how price is going to move. All right. I'm looking at NASDAQ sells. We're going to see if this is actually going to move. Okay. At potentially 110.8 to 9.25. Okay. That's going to be my area for NASDAQ sell. We're going to see if it's kind of come to fruition or if we're just going to keep holding the overall trend, which has been broke bullish here. Nothing broke below held. It was rejected here. Okay, it was rejected here. So we're just going to see how price is going to move. Okay. Give it some time here. Got about 7:57. Okay, so starting to test again that supply. You can see Goldie starting to reap back down. All right. I'm looking for a gold sell. This one's for everyone here, especially the ones in the group who like to talk about emojis. We'll see. 1667.71. So we're going to see if gold is actually going to break below there. Okay, you can see a little bit of divergence coming in. All right, nice key impulsive liquidity grab. So we're going to see now, is gold going to hold above here or break below? This is a key structure, guys. Roughly 1678. You can see on the higher time frame, maybe on the hourly. Okay, you can see this is where the key was rejected before. It started the massive sell-off. All right, everything has pumped past this level. Okay, and now we're going to see if it's going to continue or if it's going to actually drop below. Okay, so we got 1 minute, guys. Here we come. Just under 15 seconds now. Okay, take a peek at NASDAQ. Still holding a nice little flag pattern coming out of supply. So we got some consolidation starting to move. All right, let's go take a look at the DXY here. Okay, so I made a nice little bottom at 112,650, just below. All right. Take a look at the 15. Okay, nice support level hold. Okay, we're going to see what's going to start to happen, guys. Rob Mack, why it did that is because it's a pre-liquidity grab before CPI. And this is good that traders see this. For all the impulsive traders who like to just buy and sell with no impulse, that means with no confirmation below or nothing, just buying or selling. Okay, so you can see NASDAQ is still pushing up. Okay, so still rising here, punching in that supply, guys. So we're going to see if gold is actually going to break below here, guys. This is the key level, 1671. We're going to see if it's going to start to drop. If we hold above here, guys, we know that to the left, it's a nice psychological hold, all right, which means price is not going to want to break down. It's going to act as support. Okay, so here's the first 5 minutes about to close in about just under a minute and 30, guys. So we're going to see now if this is actually going to be true or if it's going to get rejected here. Okay, so still holding here. Okay, so US 30, guys, nice big push. Okay, similar to NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ is still pumping up, guys, right in that supply area, coming probably to these top wicks. Okay, so you can see nice push. We're going to see if it's going to reject basically there or if it's going to push back in that consolidation. Here's the new candle, guys. Okay, so this is the second 5-minute candle from the overall open. All right, so let's watch and see. Okay, so this dirty wick is another one I'm watching right here. If price holds, like I said, we can make a new higher high if we start to get that liquidity pushing back up and filling that wick. But for now, you can see it's slowly starting to drop. We're going to watch and see here, especially on NASDAQ too. Okay, nice rejection coming in. I can't wait for CPI, guys. You have no idea. Today is going to be a big learning lesson for everyone. Trading Joe, what's my bias on NASDAQ? That sell opportunity right there if we don't break. Okay, nice big push continuation. Nothing broke below, guys. Same with Goldie. We're getting a little bit of hold up here. You can see it's trying to break, but nothing is confirmed below. It's just a wick, okay, on the 5. You can see it's still holding that level pretty strong, all right? So for me, what I'm thinking is they might push gold back up just a tad. Very similar to NASDAQ, and we're going to see if we're going to get maybe a nice little supply area coming in here. If not, they're going to continue to sell off at least until probably the bottom wick at 1675. Okay, so you can see critical level bouncing in and out of here. All right, nothing has happened so far. All right, so I'm currently running 8 pips on this sell. $16 pips. Okay, a little bit of push. You can see the rejection starting to happen right at the key level here, right to the left. Okay, nice consolidation. We're going to see if price is going to continue to push down, or the new candle will open up and start to retest the overall entry at that 1671. Okay. Let's take a look at NASDAQ, see if we're still floating bullish. Bullish, and it's a little bit of bearish rejection coming in at that supply. Okay, so gold's got about 45 seconds more till the new candle is going to open up, guys. So from 1667, you can see it's starting to drop. Turning about 10 pips. If you guys are happy with 10 pips, secure. It's up to you. Okay, so coming in now, here's the new candle open up, guys. This is what I wanted to see. Okay, so you can see it dropped about 10 pips. If you're happy with that, like I said, secure it if you guys got in. If not, you're going to wait and see how price is going to move. Okay. Is anyone in gold? Did anyone take a gold short maybe from the top 1680? Did anyone get in from 1677? Did anyone grab that? Quick pips in and out. If you didn't, just sit back and relax, guys, until 8:30. Now is not the time to trade in anything. All right. Okay, so let's take a look. US 30 here, same kind of deal, nice little flag pattern. All right. Let's see where a critical level will be at the Dow Jones. This is the one I can't wait to see here. Oh, gold just dropped, guys, so you're welcome. Okay, so look, all right, live, you can see we had a sell signal at the Dow. Nothing really closed below. Okay, what time did we send this at? Let me take a peek here. Moderator sent this at... Let me take a quick little peek, guys. 1 second here for us. 638. Okay, so 640, you can see 610, 620, 638, 640. Perfect. So we actually, guys, I'm going to tell you straight up. We had some people after this was sent who obviously took an impulsive sell. Price didn't even make it there. They tried to beat the system. All right. And you can see nothing even closed below, or nothing even got near price. Okay. So I'm just going to say straight up live, that's on you. Okay. You should be blaming yourself for your impulsiveness. Okay. And sometimes you need to hear this stuff, because this is not anything to do with a confirmed trade. The only trade that can kind of get into a sell was 6 o'clock. And from what we sent it, I was 638. All right. So for everyone who is a little bit upset with their own impulsiveness, right? Just understand that you got to watch price itself, okay? So for me, all right, I can't wait for price of the Dow Jones to get back here, okay? I can't wait, because if we do, you can see it slowly starting to sell off now, all right? If we do make it back here, guys, it's going to be a huge sell-off. I'm going to tell you right now, okay? That was the pump before the dump, all right? So here we go. Let's see how Goldie's moving. Okay, tapping that overall sell entry. Looking good. I'm running $220 on this sell from 1677.89, 250. Okay, if you want to see it, 250 right there. Okay, 242 through 36 in and out. All right, I'm happy with this. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even here. All right, you guys got me on a good day today. All right. And I'm going to send it to the free FX group so you guys can see. How much money am I risking to get there? We'll do the math. Okay. I have my stop loss probably right at 1 hour. I actually set it at 1678, so I'm willing to risk 10 pips. But you can see we're aiming for a 1674 trade. Okay. So guys, you keep asking us these questions. I know you're here for us to help you, but take a little bit of pride in self-learning. All right. If you want to be spoon-fed, you know what I mean, then stay in bed and maybe someone will serve you breakfast. Wow, I just made 1K in 20 minutes. Yes, SST. There we go. Okay. There we go. There's a dump. 334 bucks. I'm happy with that. That is someone's wage right there. I'm just going to secure it. I don't give a shit if it drops anymore. Enjoy. Hopefully you guys got in a trade. Okay, at 1675, you can see nothing closed below here yet. That's the next key level. Why? Because price broke down. Okay, and you can see now it held above, and that's when you got that nice little push above. Okay. Okay, NASDAQ is still pushing. You are breathing so loud, bro. You are scared of losing. Sorry, dipshit. I told you in the morning that I was not feeling good, so that's why. All right, so let's watch and see now, okay? This is my short position on NASDAQ. Let it play out. Okay, so we're going to see NASDAQ here, 10829.25. All right. That's my area of sells. If not, we're just going to continue bullish, guys. That's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, you can see GU's nice flag pattern here. Okay, look at the DXY here starting to form. All right. You can see what we're looking like on the 15. It's nice to check it out on the hourly, guys. You can see that if we break down here, look at the momentum drop that can happen. Okay. You can see the structure break, and you can see the demand level that's hit. All right. We didn't get there just yet. Okay. It came close. You can see that in and around in here, that's what we tapped. So that's why you're going to get that short-term retracement pullback. Okay. So let's watch and see. Okay. So GU is still pumping, guys. NASDAQ is still pumping, looking very nice. Okay, so if we're going to continue, guys, we're going to break through that supply. No issues. Okay, so we take a look at that gold real quick scalp, see if it's playing off. Okay, so still holding there, guys. Indecisive around 1676, 1675. So also the time, guys, 8:19. All right, 8:19. So I want to ask you guys, what are you feeling like you want to watch? Do you guys want to watch gold? Do you want to watch Dow? Do you want to watch NASDAQ with this? Gold all day? Okay, we can check that out. We can watch Goldie. Goldie it's already at my sell level, guys. I want to tell you right now. Okay, 1677.7. That was my gold sell for the day. All right. So we just got to see, is price going to continue or is it going to drop below there? All right. So already, like I said, I've already hit my daily target. So this is all for you guys now. All right. Gold can still dump. All right. We just got to watch and see how price is going to move overall. This news, guys, is going to be huge. Okay. This news is going to be huge. I'm telling you right now. Someone put it in the chat. This news will make or break you as a trader and as for your account. Okay, so it's your choice whether you want to trade it or not. All right. So here we go, guys. You can see it's still holding that 1676. All right, nothing has broke below. Remember, I told you we do have that long top wick. Okay, so we can make a new possible higher high. All right. Me personally, I think they could pump this and then retrace it. That's just me. Okay. I want to watch the Dow over anything personally. Okay. NASDAQ we can watch. We already have the key levels set. All right. We always watch gold, guys. We always watch gold, but sometimes a lot of people they like gold because it's flashy. A lot of other YouTube trade it. Okay. Not many people like trading US 30 because it's hard. All right. So I want to focus on something like that today, and then we'll trade maybe gold a little bit later. Tomorrow, we still got good news. We haven't even looked at it today so far. I haven't even done much in terms of even looking at RSI or any kind of other indicator. But you can see here, I was just checking out the news yesterday and how everything comes into play, and then you can see what we have right here. So guys, this is what we're trading here, okay? This is what we're trading right now. This is what we're leading into in 9 minutes. Okay, this is crazy, guys. Another thing, make sure to check your spreads. Okay, your spreads are going to be a killer. On news, that's going to be a killer itself. But if you have crazy high spreads and these things are fluctuating, you want to just chill out. All right, you want to chill out and you want to just watch. Okay, so you can see CPI, core CPI, and unemployment claims. All right, if if all four of these go green, it's fantastic. But if you have a few of them go red, green, whatever it may be, it's going to be a shit show, straight up. Okay? So this is what we're trading right here, all right? We don't have anything after it. So I'm going to tell you right now, 9:30, the New York Stock Exchange is going to be extremely choppy based off of this news because all the volume is going to be taken at this time. All right, so let's take a look. Tomorrow what we have, 8:30, core retail sales. So I'm thinking tomorrow we'll focus on gold, all right, on these folders right here. Today we'll take a look at the Dow, all right. So there's Goldie still pushing down. We have major news, guys. I just showed you it for all the new people signing in. Let's take a look. Here's the Dow, okay. There's gold. You can see NASDAQ is starting to rise. Okay, so we'll focus on NAS for just a tad here. Guys, let's see if we can pump these likes up if we want to see New York open trading too. We've got about 140 here. Let's see if we can smash this to 300 in the next 3 minutes. That'd be a huge challenge, but I think we can do it, you know. We just smashed a nice 30 pip gold trade, which was beautiful. All right, so we just got to see what we're going to do now in terms of the market open. Not market open, sorry, news. All right, so here we go. What are your thoughts on the Dow, and what are your thoughts on NASDAQ here? It's looking pretty bullish right now, guys. Okay, it's looking pretty bullish right now. Shaza, can you repeat what you just said regarding news I just entered? Okay, hopefully you didn't enter a trade. Hopefully you're just entering in the group. Okay. You want to just wait a couple minutes for news to pass. All right. What the hell was that sound? That sound, guys, was a new subscriber joining in. Okay, so let's see right now if we can get the Dow 29352. Okay, we're going to see if that's going to be a nice little sell opportunity. So 825, guys, another 5 minutes here. We are in a nice trend, guys. This is a nice trend, okay? So if nothing happens, all right, you can see we got to break this for the overall trade to happen. What's the symbol on Dow? It's a US 30. It could be DJ 30, you know, Dow Jones Industrial 30, whatever it may be. So, like I said, do not enter in now. Okay, just watch and monitor how price is going to move. I'm biased towards the sell, personally. Okay, but you can see they're performing a bullish flag. All right, that's the thing. Okay, so nice consolidation here. So we're going to watch. Gold is at that critical support level too. Nothing has broke below just yet. 1675, guys. Critical number here. All right. I still think gold is looking for that opportunity sell. Okay, so just FYI, I am biased towards maybe gold sells, but remember, news can happen. Anything can get filled. We have a long top wick to the upside here right near the 4 hour. We're coming near that 4 hour support, guys. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So if you're still holding gold, just remember, okay, like the time. We got about 3 minutes left now. Okay, so just if you're doing this, have your stop loss at break even. Price of gold can find some demand here and rocket to the upside. Okay, I'm telling you right now, it can push. You saw the big move that just happened. So if you didn't secure and you're still holding, you can see that the move is actually running roughly about 37 pips. Okay, now is the critical area where price is going to make or break gold. We're at a demand zone. Okay, this is where we had that nice little bullish push. Okay, so let's watch and see on the Dow. All right, we're going to watch on the 15-minute, guys. Nice bull trend so far. Okay, you can see here, nice rejection to the left. So let's watch. It's up to you guys. Do not be trading if you're not comfortable. This is big CPI news. You guys get the point here, okay? Goldie's starting to slowly pick up some volume. Remember I talked about 1675? All right. Is your MT4 freezing? That's a sign that we're coming into news, guys. Okay, so look at the volume bushing. Nice continuation. There we go. All right, so remember we talked about a bull flag. If it breaks here, guys, this thing's bullish. All right, so that's what I'm saying. Be very cautious. I'm biased towards a sell, but anything can happen at this time. Okay, just under 1 minute, just actually under 45 seconds. Here we go. Boom! Game time. Don't be greedy, guys. Secure. Look at that. Boom. I made 400 bucks. 500. Game time. I'm recording this for you guys too. I have this all on record. This is from HankoTrade Live LLC. I started with 2,400. I got 2,900 now. 28,448. That's 448 in less than 30 seconds. Take your profit, guys. Enjoy your day. Okay, let's take a look now. Look at gold, guys. Is anyone happy with gold? Look at gold. Members, 1675. 87 pips. Okay? Guys, if you guys took these trades, let me know how it went. Put in the chat how much you made. Okay? Let's see. This is why you join SST, guys. Look at the NASDAQ. Oh, yeah. Look, boom. Look at NASDAQ. Our AI system does not miss. All right? Look at that. You want to talk? There we go. 356 pips right there on NASDAQ. Blasted through a TP, guys. Look at NASDAQ. Game time. Okay, still dumping off. Remember I told you bias towards sells? Members, we'll recap this later, but let's look at US 30. Okay, boom. 612 pips. All right, guys, straight up, okay, I'm done. All right, the stream is done. That was in and out. All right, I'm done. Okay, so guys, I hope everyone had a good day. I wish you all of the best. Okay, make sure to go check out some of the other streamers. I'm not worried about anything else in terms of continuing to trade. We made our daily goal. Hopefully you guys did too. Peace out.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.